Hey there! Today we're going to learn the declarations using structures in C. So let's get started. Let me open up this editor, and as you can see here I have this file created a while ago and I name it ex63 underscore declarations using structures.c. So to declare variables of a structured data type, you use the keyword struct followed by the struct tag and then the variable name. So for example, in this statement, as you can see here on line 3, I've declared the structured data type and then uses the student struct to declare variable s1 and s2. So that's how you use or declare variables using the struct. So to better understand this, I will give you an example. So let's go ahead and complete this set of programs. So let me just remove this two declarations. So I'm going to put this inside of the main in here. Let me paste it in here. So declared two variables s1 and s2 using the help of struct, and then we can now modify the code under the struct. So take a look at these examples that we have here in this video. So let's go ahead and compile and run this real quick. So right click and compile and run, and you should be able to see the results. Oops, I'm getting an error, and I think I know where the error is. It's on the line 23. I forgot to put the semicolon at the end, so make sure to check your code before running it. So compile and run again, and this time you should see the result. So student John Beischmer 19, student Batman Robinson 22. So that's how you use the structure. That's how you declare the structure. So again, to declare variables of a structured data type, you use the keyword struct. In here we use the word struct followed by the tag and then the variable name. So the tag and then the variable name s1 and s2. So then on this line we have modified, or we put values to our variables for the age and grade, and then we use the sprintf function to assign this name to name, and on line 22 and 23 we displayed it on the screen. So just a quick note that a struct variable is stored in a contiguous block of memory. The size of operator must be used to get the number of bytes needed for a struct, just as with the basic data types. So that's how you use the structure. That's how you declare variables using the struct. And that's it for this video. And before we wrap up, let's test your knowledge. I have here a little exercise for you in this tab, and as you can see, there's a lot of missing piece of information here. There's missing information that needs to be filled in. So I want you to type in the code to declare a struct variable, and if you already know the answer, please put it in the comment section below. Thank you.